I'm Roman and today I will try Japanese sake for the first time. Let's go.
Sake is widely known as Japan's national drink. Now, technically, sake just means alcohol, so any kind of beer, wine, or liquor would be considered sake. What most people mean as Japanese rice wine is actually called ni hon shü.
There are various ways in which you may drink sake, and based on my research, it is normally from a small container like this. However, the container should be much smaller, but this is the best that I have at home. And while serving sake, you raise your container as the person pours it to you, unlike wine, which you could just serve directly on the table. Anyways, I am super excited, so let's go. Subarashi! It smells fermented. I wish I could have someone to pour it for me, so let's first pour it in a glass so that you may see what it looks like. Okay. It smells quite light. I am not sure what the taste will be like. It's almost flavorless. It tastes a little bit like flavored water. Is that the right word I'm looking for? It's not like juice, flavored water with alcohol. It's a little bit like white rum, but with some flavors added. It doesn't taste strong, so I'm not sure if there is a lot of alcohol in it. I think there's 16% alcohol in it. That's what it's saying right here. So, while we're on Japanese culture, I would like to introduce you guys to a new manga series that will be coming out in January 2023. Here are a few sneak peeks of what this manga will be like. If you'd like to know more about this manga, you have to keep watching my channel in order to hear updates.
Also, I forgot to add that the artist is a freelancer, and so if you need something to be drawn or designed, he can do it for you. Just reach out to him on his different social media handles, which will be in the description box.
I do look forward to seeing you guys and seeing this new manga in 2023 around the second week of January. Wait. I think I took too much. Oh wow. It's not strong, it's just that the taste is unusual, it's not strong. Anyways, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.